What if a simple melody could cure cancer? Or a catchy tune could wipe out the flu in seconds? In this world, music isn't just art. It's the most powerful medicine we've ever known. It all started when scientists discovered something strange. Certain sound frequencies could repair damaged cells. Not just calm the mind, but literally trigger the body to heal itself. All through harmony. Surgeries were replaced by symphonies. Operas became more effective than antibiotics. Sound therapy clinics popped up everywhere. From quiet suburbs to bustling megacities. Doctors no longer carried syringes, but tuning forks and speakers. Every illness had its own musical signature. One tone for cancer, another for diabetes. Even the most mysterious diseases responded to the right notes. Heart disease? A smooth jazz rhythm that pulses with every beat. Alzheimer's? A delicate piano piece that brings back forgotten names and faces. Depression? Not pills, but immersive sound journeys that unravel the darkness and rebuild joy. Even those who couldn't hear were given neural implants, allowing them to feel the healing vibrations. Concerts turned into sacred rituals. Massive gatherings where music healed thousands at once. Musicians became saints, revered like surgeons. Their instruments, the new scalpel. But as always, power invites corruption. A black market emerged. Illegal frequencies designed not to heal, but to harm. Governments intervened. Frequencies were regulated. Licenses were required to compose. Yet, rebels rose, searching for the lost purity of music. Unfiltered, unrestricted, untamed. Despite it all, the world changed. Disease was no longer a death sentence. Music had given us something we never had before. Control over our own bodies. And maybe, just maybe, we're not that far from this reality. After all, music already heals us. Emotionally, mentally, spiritually. The question is, are we listening closely enough? If music could heal every disease, would we finally learn to listen more carefully? Like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Because your voice, just like music, has the power to change the world.